To add a new navigation menu in Softr, you'll walk through the entire process step by step, from logging in to previewing the final result in your live application. A well-built navigation menu is the backbone of any multi-page web app because it directly controls how your users move around and find what they need. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Begin by logging into your Softr account at the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll see a left sidebar with several menu options. Click on the item labeled Applications to bring up a list of every app you've created within your Softr workspace. This is your central hub for managing projects, so take a moment to scan through your apps and locate the specific one you want to edit. The goal here is to open the app that will house your new navigation menu, so click on its name or thumbnail to enter the editor. After the application loads, you'll be inside the Softr Builder interface. This is where you customize everything from page layouts to branding. On the left side of the editor, you'll find a vertical toolbar. Click on the icon or label that says Pages. This opens a panel that lists all the pages currently existing in your application. Now hover your cursor over the page you intend to edit. This could be your homepage, a dashboard, or any other page where the navigation needs to appear. When you hover, a small settings icon, usually shaped like a gear or 3 dots, will appear next to that page's name. Click that settings icon to open the page's specific configuration options. What you're seeing now is the page settings panel for that individual page. However, to manage navigation that affects the entire app, you need to access the global application settings. Look for the main settings option in the left sidebar. It's typically located toward the bottom of the menu. Click on it. This section contains all the general configuration for your Softr application, including branding, SEO, custom domains, and, most importantly for our task, navigation. Within the settings menu, you'll see a list of subcategories. Click the one labeled Navigation. This is where all the magic happens. The navigation settings area displays the current navigation menus assigned to your application, along with options to add new ones, edit existing ones, or delete menus you no longer need. At the top of this navigation settings section, you'll notice a drop-down menu that shows the currently active navigation. If you haven't created any custom navigation menus yet, it will likely show a default option. To create a brand new menu, click on this drop-down to expand it and view all available options. At the very bottom of that drop-down list, you should see a button or link that says Create New Navigation. Click that. Instantly, Softr will generate a fresh blank navigation menu for you. This new menu is like an empty canvas. It has no items in it yet, but it's ready for you to build out. Now that the new navigation menu exists, you can begin customizing it. Back in the navigation settings, you'll see your new menu selected. Below the drop-down, there will be options to add items. Typically, you'll click an Add Item or Add Page button. A dialog box will appear, letting you choose which page from your application to link to. Select the first page you want to include. Give it a clear and descriptive label, for example, Home or Dashboard, and save it. Repeat this process for every page you want in your navigation. The order matters for user experience, so drag and drop the items to place your most important pages at the top or the left, depending on your layout. You can also rename any item by clicking its label and typing a more user-friendly name. This is crucial because the page names in your builder might be technical, but the users see whatever label you type here. Take a few moments to review your new navigation menu. Check that you've included all the essential pages like your main content, user profile, settings, or any other sections users need to access. Remember, as your application grows, you can always return to this navigation settings area to add new pages, remove outdated links, or reorganize the order. A common pitfall is overstuffing the menu with too many items, which overwhelms users. Stick to your core pages and consider using submenus or nested drop-downs if you have secondary content. Also, avoid using vague labels like page 1 inch or untitled. Every item should instantly tell the user where it leads. Before you move on, it's vital to preview your application to make sure the navigation works perfectly. Click the preview button, usually found at the top right of the editor. Your app will open in a new tab, showing exactly what your users will see. Click on each navigation item to verify it links to the correct page. Check that the menu appears consistent across different screen sizes, especially on mobile, where navigation often collapses into a hamburger menu. If something looks off, go back to the navigation settings and adjust the order, labels, or visibility. This final verification step catches typos, broken links, or missing pages before your users ever see them. By now, your new navigation menu is live and fully functional. You've successfully created a structured, user-friendly path through your Softr application. The benefit is immediate. Your users can now move between pages intuitively, and your app feels professional and polished. As a next step, consider adding a secondary navigation or a footer menu for less critical links like legal pages or contact information. Also, periodically revisit your navigation to reflect any new features you add to your app. Thank you for following along. And if you need a refresher on any of these steps, feel free to save this video or come back anytime you build a new Softr project.